जैसे एक पैनलिस्ट है अंकिता जी, वो बहुत उम्र में छोटी हैं, कुछ 24-25 साल की हैं, लेकिन एग्रीकल्चर से जुड़ी हैं। शी इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर। सो ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स को देख के बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि छोटे छोटे जो हमारे यूथ हैं वो इतने डायनेमिक हैं कि उनको एग्रीकल्चर की पोटेंशियल इतनी जल्दी समझ में आ रही है और एग्रीकल्चर से वो जुड़ रहे हैं। तो आई एम श्योर India has a very bright future in terms of agriculture. So sir, now I guess I would like to क्योंकि हमने अंकिता की बात करी है तो अंकिता से ही बात करते हैं। अंकिता, the last two, I mean पता नहीं आपको कितना एग्रीकल्चर समझ में आता है, but the last 2 decades of Indian agriculture have been I mean has been a very paradoxical situation. एक तरफ तो बहुत मैसिव स्केल सक्सेस स्टोरीज हैं, इनोवेटिव एग्री बिजनेस मॉडल्स हैं, और दूसरी तरफ जो जितने हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज हैं वो डिप्लीट हो रहे हैं। वाटर टेबल आपने सुना होगा नीचे जा रहा है, और जो रूरल अर्बन गैप है वो बहुत वाइड हो गया है। फार्मर्स सुसाइड्स इतने होते जा रहे हैं। लेकिन जैसे अभी मैंने बोला, जैसे डॉक्टर अग्रवाल ने भी बोला कि देयर इज अ सिल्वर लाइनिंग, दैट एजुकेटेड यूथ अंडरस्टैंड द पोटेंशियल ऑफ द सेक्टर and are engaging in farm ventures and agribusiness. और उनका जो involvement है is certainly opening new vistas for farmers. So as a young entrepreneur working in this very challenging agrochemical sector, how do you envision the role of our youngsters in making our farmers Atmanirbhar? I mean, आप agriculture में आप what inspired you to get into agriculture, and जैसे ही आप enter हुए वैसे ही इतने ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट्स मिल गए मोदी सर के कि डबलिंग फार्मर्स इनकम एंड मेकिंग आवर किसान आत्मनिर्भर. सो हाउ डू यू थिंक आवर यंगस्टर्स कैन प्ले अ रोल in making this dream come true?
First and foremost, hello everybody, and congratulations to the entire team. I think Millie, Siddharth, and Mamta ji aap for the Krishi Alert. So congratulations on that. The reason I got into this industry was because of my father. So I belong to Krishi Design Exports Private Limited. We are almost in 50-year-old company. We'll be completing 50 years in 2022. So I am the 3rd generation of this organization, and I have seen my grandfather and my father work day and night to make sure that the farmers' lives become much better. We provide products like anybody in our field. If you go in the farmers, if they know Krishi Design product, they know that our product quality is our best selling point. It's our USP. Because आज तक हमने कभी भी अपने प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी में कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करा है. And when it comes to how to make the farmers income, that everybody has also been talking about, education. The basic thing that we can do to help the farmers become independent is education and knowledge training, to update them what is going around the world. And in India still the production per acre is very low compared to other developed countries, or other countries like Brazil, UK, US. So we have to see how we can mitigate those challenges and increase the productivity per acre and make the farmers Atmanirbhar. We can, with the use of latest technology, information that we have to overcome, not just overcome, but be pre-informed about the natural disasters, any pest management that is required, what information we can provide them. That is also a very important role that we have to play. In today's world, education and knowledge is the key for Atmanirbhar, to increase the farmer's productivity. Right information with respect to right usage of products is very important. Production per acre in India is still very low, and we have to come up with those technologies. There are a lot of technologies that already exist. The usage of drone, weather control, or be it having complete information about the soil testing that is available. But what else we can come up with in which we can prepare them? There's a lot of crop loss that happens, and the major factors that I believe is improper use of weed and pest management. So आज farmers को ये तो पता है मुझे ये डालना है, ये डालना है या ये डालना है, but ये नहीं पता कितनी quantity में डालना है. जैसे आज the seniors who have spoken before me, they know this much better, and that's what they've said. But आज people are going into organic farming. That is also a very important and good segment. Whereas आज जो हम regular practices हैं, it is very important कि आज फार्मर को बताना कि अच्छा आप पेस्टिसाइड डाल रहे हो तो आप इतना ही डालो, रिजल्ट उतना ही आएगा और बढ़िया आएगा. So we have come up with a lot more, our company has come up with a lot more organic farming techniques, organic compounds, but वो as a replacement है for some products. बट फार्मर क्या करता है, पुराने प्रोडक्ट्स भी डाल रहे हैं, नए प्रोडक्ट्स भी डाल रहे हैं, उनको बताना है कि नहीं आप इतना ही डालो. सो एजुकेशन इज अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर दैट इज गोइंग टू कम in Atmanirbhar, making the farmers Atmanirbhar.
Okay, but I am still waiting for my answer, which was how do youngsters play a role in bridging the gaps about?
A lot of next gen farmers are coming into agriculture. So आज उनके पास है, they have digitalization, they have operation of phones, in which they are seeing कि okay, that farmer is doing some hydroponics, they are looking into hydroponics and better storage management. आज young farmers are more into the fact about how to get into it, educating a little senior members. I think that is where they're
basically the youth are more equipped and more trained and more aware of the new innovations and technologies, and they can help the senior members of the fraternity in implementing those. Okay.